Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review a very interesting product by Faber Castell, the Faber Castell 6 Kindergarten Grip Crayons. So today we are going to unbox this product and then I'm going to give a short review on what do I feel about this product. Right, so you can have a look at it first before we go ahead with the unboxing. So this is the box, a very neat and tidy design for the box, which gives a visible view of the crayons which are inside. So yeah, and it says beginners crayons for 3 years plus. So here it is, beginners crayons for 3 years plus. Right, so let's go ahead and look at what do we get in the box. Right, so inside this box here we have like 6 crayons which are available in the colors orange, yellow, green, blue, red and brown. Right, so the interesting thing about this crayon is the shape of the crayon. So if you look closely, these crayons are shaped in triangular shape, right? And then they have these small dots around here, which actually help the baby or the small toddler to grip them well. So these crayons are very helpful in developing a better grip and the fine motor skills of the kid, right? So in this box we get 6 different colors as I mentioned, and all are the same size and the shape, which is a triangular shape, right? So I'm going to show you how it looks when you draw with these. So the kid can easily hold, gives them a good grip and they can easily draw. These crayons can be used for drawing different shapes and very helpful for them in kindergarten, right? Because a normal crayon is difficult for a baby to hold. Like, it's very difficult for a baby to hold because they are still mastering those fine motor skills. So the kindergarten crayons, the Faber Castell kindergarten grip crayons are very useful at this stage when they are 3 years, 4 years, when they are just learning to write, they are learning the 3-finger grip. It's very helpful in that. Okay, so moving on, I bought this product from Amazon and the link to the product is available in the description below. So don't forget, if you want to buy it, just go to the description below and you can always purchase it there. Moving on to the price of the product, the product is priced at just rupees 125. So 125 for 6 amazing crayons. Like, these crayons will actually help your baby learn to write well and color. So it will actually help them improve on their fine motor skills. So yeah, so in the box we just have these 6 crayons. This is the box, these are crayons, and I'm really impressed with the thinking behind these crayons, the way a child can easily grip them, because holding a normal crayon is very difficult for a child and learning the 3-finger grip is very important for them to learn to write. So yeah, so I'll be doing an in-depth video moving ahead later on about how was my kid's experience using these crayons and how well she did with them. But for now, these are the Faber Castell kindergarten grip crayons, available in 6 different colors. Right? So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you like the product review, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more such interesting videos, and click on the bell icon to get a notification whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye.